back to today's video. Did you spot the mistake from yesterday's video? Obviously I did it on purpose to test you. In all seriousness, it was a genuine mistake. I do apologise, and we all make mistakes, it happens, and I suppose it's just a lesson to make sure that you fully read the question. I have put an amendment in the description of yesterday's video if you wanted to go back and check what the answer should have been. With that being said, let's get into the answers for today's maths. The first one is 291 add 100. Now straight away we can see we're adding 100, no 10s and no 1s, so 291 add another 100 becomes 391. The next one is 92 divided by 4, so we can do that using bus stop. 4 goes into 9 twice because 2 times 4 is 8, leaving 1 remaining. 4 goes into 12 3 times, so 92 divided by 4 equals 23. Number 3, 5/8 add 1/8, or our denominators are the same, so it's 5 add 1 because we don't add our denominators, and that is 6/8. Alternatively, you could simplify it by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 2 and get 3/4, so 6/8 or 3/4. Number 4 we're going to do using the formal written method, so we've got 3,117, take away 427. 7 take away 7 is nothing. You can't do 1 take away 2, so we need to exchange. 11 take away 2 is 9. You can't do 0 take away 4, so we need to exchange. 10 take away 4 is 6, and 2 take away nothing is 2. So the answer is 2,690. Number 5, 12 times 6, which hopefully we know from our times tables, is 72. Next one, number 6, is 57.3, take away 0.9. Now, 0.9 is very, very close to 1. So if it was 57.3 take away 1, it would be 56.3. However, we're only taking away 0.9, so we need to add 0.1 back on that we haven't taken, so it is 56.4. Let's just check that using the formal written method. So you can't do 3 take away 9, 13 take away 9 is 4, and then 6 take away 0 is 6, so 56.4. Number 7 is 34 divided by 10, and when we're dividing, our digits move to the right. When it's by 10, it's one place. So the 4 moves one place to the right, and the 3 moves one place to the right, so the answer is 3.4. Number 8, 388,293, add 57,295. So again, we're going to do that using the formal method. And we need to be careful with our place value because we're adding a 5-digit number to a 6-digit number. So we put the 5 underneath our first 8 because that's our 10,000s column, our 7 in our thousands column, hundreds, tens and ones. 3 add 5 is 8, 9 add 9 is 18, carry the 1, 2 add 2 is 4, add 1 is 5, 8 add 7 is 15, 8 add 5 is 13, add 1 is 14, and 3 add 1 is 4. So the answer is 445,588. Number 9 is 3 cubed. Now if we remember from our knowledge of squared and cube numbers, cubed is when you multiply the number by itself and then again by itself. So 3 times 3, which will be 3 squared, is 9. Then you multiply that again by 3. 9 times 3 equals 27. So 3 cubed is 27. Number 10, 3 times 120. Well, 3 times 12 equals 36. So 10 times that, because 120 is 10 times 12, would be 360. Number 11, 1/3 add 1/12. So we can see that we need to change our third into twelfths. And in order to do that, we need to multiply by 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. And whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. 1 times 4 equals 4. So 1/12 add 4/12 equals 5/12. And there is no way of simplifying that fraction because you cannot divide 5 into anything because 5 is a prime number. And lastly, number 12, 8.02 add 3.5. So we need to be careful because in our 8.02 we've got a tenths and a hundredths column, whereas in 3.5 we only have a tenths column. So we need to make sure our place value is correct and our decimal points are lined up. And it would be easier if we put a 0 on the end of the 5 if you want to, you don't have to. 2 take away 0 is 2, 0 take away 5 you can't do. So we exchange, 10 take away 5 is 5, 7 take away 3 is 4. So the answer is 4.52. And that's all for today. A big well done if you got 12 out of 12. And if you did make a couple of mistakes, then hopefully you're able to see where you went wrong and understand how to correct it. I hope you're able to enjoy some of this beautiful weather that we're having, whether that's in your garden or going for a walk in your local area. And I shall see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.